Good afternoon YouTube. This is Vlogger and we are at Marine Line. I hope you can hear us or me at least. So you must be thinking, what is the dream? The dream is about buying a KTM RC200 by my own or by saving. At least I can try. So sorry guys, but this is not the first day. I hope from the day I started saving was 2nd July. Now it's 31st of July. So at least 27 days are done. The concept of saving was 50 rupees each day in a week, except Sunday because there is no class. For your information, I'm currently pursuing from Jetking. Jetking is an institute that provides information about IT, or studies about IT. And after that, doing that, so my mom gives me 100 rupees a day for going as well as coming back. So there is an aquarium. So on that note, aquarium. So there is a new game, mostly. And in India there is a rainy season is going on. So the concept is collecting. Total amount is 1,70,870. So approximately I have to collect more than 1,80,000. Now the currently amount is 1,350 rupees. So it's increasing. How I get this idea to blog about that or doing that so is because I was going to sleep at 1st of Jan. I was going to sleep at night. So before that I watched a video about motovlogging. So there was a Duke 390 and RC 390, RS 200 of Pulsar and lots more. So on that, after watching that, I got motivated. But after that, I was thinking what to do. Should I vlog or should I vlog? If I vlog, what should I vlog and all. So later that night, I got an idea that why should I vlog the whole journey from the beginning to the date until I bought my KTM RC200. You must be thinking, why 200? Why not other bikes such as RC200, RS200, Pulsar 220, etc. etc. They are much more relevant or most useful than their fuel economic is much better, comfortability, looks wise. So why only KTM RC200? I searched about that, but some bikes. So I thought they all use 220, NS, RS, and etc. etc. Why? Firstly, I don't like KTM. First time I saw KTM, didn't like that because she was naked. I don't know that there is also RC model for Duke 200 also. So from coming back to my class, I saw RC200 in. Obviously, it's only one piece black color. So black is my favorite though. So I saw that and I fell in love with that. So I decided I will buy this bike by my own. So I thought, let's see his price or fuel economic and etc. etc. So I saw that he is my friend Ashish, my childhood friend. So he has been come here with me for enjoying this awesome monsoon. And guys, if you want to join my journey from beginning to the end of buying a KTM RC200, so you can subscribe, like or comment how is this video made. This is my first vlog of my life. I hope so you enjoyed it. And for everybody's information, I don't know anything how to ride a bike, about license. I will start from beginning. It started beginning from like some small child started his first step like that way only. It's it's raining here. So like that way only. Uh, Learning. I will also vlog about my learning steps and how I save. How was my saving going? Other troubles while collect. Next thing is, what was the next thing I forgot? Okay. The next thing was my phase. My phase from first phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, and the end was buying a KTM RC 200. From now, I have totally collected 1300 850. As you know, as I have earlier told that. So it's I'm already late. Though I face some problems, I have to save 50 rupees each day. Anyhow, uh, as you observe carefully, there has to be 2 Sundays or 3 Sundays from 2nd July to 31st. It must be 2 or 3 Sundays. Then how it can be 13850? So for that there was one coincidence, or by my luck, on first Sunday or second Sunday I got 100 rupees by my mom from buying stuff. I bought 20 rupees only. The stuff was only 20 rupees. But that 80 rupees I got from my mom, and mom said keep it with you. So I kept, because of that now. So guys, if you want to join this adventure with me, please subscribe, like and comment this video. Thank you.